A blessed day to you. I am here to guide you in understanding Science 5, Quarter 1, Module 3. We will discuss first Lesson 1, Waste and Classifications of Waste. What are waste? Waste are unwanted or unusable materials. This can also be substances which are discarded after primary use or are already worthless, defective, and of no use. What are the common wastes found at home? Plastic bottles, banana peelings, cans are some of the common wastes found at home. This can also be spilled milk and the water used in washing dishes and flushing the toilet. What are the classifications of waste? Waste can be classified as solid and liquid waste. There are different kinds of solid waste that people produce and throw. The waste come from different materials that people use in daily life activities. The unwanted or discarded materials that are not liquid or gas are called solid waste. Solid waste may be classified as biodegradable or non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable wastes are those discarded materials that come from living things such as food residues, papers, cloth, dry leaves, and other materials that can decompose or decay through the action of heat, water, air, or microorganisms. On the other hand, non-biodegradable wastes are those discarded materials that cannot decay or decompose into organic matter by living organisms for many years, such as polystyrene, plastic, metal, styrofoam, and rubber. Most of the non-biodegradable materials are the throwaway trash, such as plastic food containers, plastic cups, bottles, and aluminum cans. Examples of biodegradable waste are fruit and vegetable scraps, dry leaves, and waste from animals. Examples of non-biodegradable waste are old tires, plastic bags, old shoes, and others. Let's now proceed with liquid waste. Liquid wastes are waste in liquid form. The composition of liquid waste, also known as wastewater, is varied and depends on its source. In towns and cities, the three main sources are residential, commercial, and industrial areas. Residential waste come from our day-to-day living and include those from food preparation, washing, bathing, and toilet usage. Commercial waste are waste from commercial areas comprising shops, open marketplaces, restaurants, and cafes will mostly resemble those from households. Industrial waste, waste from facilities that make food products, will not be harmful, but from industries that uses chemical will be potentially harmful. Examples of liquid waste: water after mopping the floor, sewage water, and oil spilled water. And there you have it. To sum up this lesson, we learned that waste are unwanted or unusable materials. These are classified into solid and liquid waste. Solid waste are classified into biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Liquid waste are mostly residential wastewater, commercial wastewater, and industrial wastewater. Hope you learned something new, and don't forget about this because you need this concept in the next lesson. Goodbye.